This kind of looks like a little baby, but it's a lot heavier than a little baby. Imagine a robot baby. What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now in today's video, first things first, it's going to be a little later upload. They just changed my schedule at work and I'm actually just getting off work now. I work night shift for those of you who don't know, but 8 a.m. right now and I got exciting news. So I've been waiting for a long time. I ordered a set of 82mm pistons that I was going to get to put into my B16 block because pretty damn soon I'm going to be shipping the block out to New Hampshire where they do a cylinder support system. So I was waiting on those pistons. They were on back order for like 4 to 6 weeks. Finally, I just got the email that they're coming and they'll be here by the end of the week. So that's super exciting. One thing I got to do though is get that block and everything ready to get shipped out. And not only am I going to get the CSS process on the block, but I'm going to get all the internals, all the rotational assembly balanced as well. So I'm actually going to have to send out 2 shipments, 2 different boxes, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to crate up these boxes, or crate up this engine, crate up all the components and everything. I can like safely package it to get it shipped out. So we're off to Home Depot. I was thinking about building like a shipping crate to ship out my engine, but CSS or the guys over at Humble Performance as well, they actually prefer that you keep the block and everything in a box. So I'm going to use the Home Depot, the double wall cardboard, like heavy duty moving boxes. And apparently they're strong enough to hold the block because the block's around like 50-60 pounds. And it also helps the cardboard instead of the wooden crate, also helps keep the shipping cost down because that's the weight's factored into that as well, I guess. So it's my first time shipping anything like big like this across the country, so yeah. And I gotta tell you about another project I have coming up. Since the cylinder support system guys are gonna have my block for like 6 to 8 weeks, maybe even longer than that, I figured I should probably start up with some other projects while we wait, so I can, keep busting out the content every Tuesday. And one of those projects is I want to paint a mural on the underside of my carbon fiber hood. Now my sister wants to help me out with that, so I just got to pick up paint at Home Depot today. Basically what I'm going to be using is, if I can find it, I want to find, maybe if I can't find it at Home Depot, I got to go to like Northern Tool or something like that. But I want to just get the little Rust-Oleum quart cans. I got to get a red, I got to get smoke gray, and I got to get black, and also probably white. And so I'm just kind of want to match up with the color scheme that I got going in the engine bay. So when you pop the hood mural looks aesthetically pleasing next to the, oh my god, I gotta wipe off my window, next to the engine bay. Because it's all about aesthetics and it's all about scene points, Aesthetics comes first, everybody knows that. Alrighty, so we've made it to Home Depot. I gotta piss, but let's just say our shopping spree goes good today. I get everything I need. When we get home, I'll probably end up packaging that B16 up inside my house because according to my dash, it is negative 14 degrees outside, and yeah, it certainly feels like it. So luckily, I've got that B16 block pretty cleaned up, and that's all thanks to the super clean foaming degreaser I used on it last night. We're lucky as a channel to have the Super Clean brand kind of sponsor us and help us out with products here and there. So yeah, big shout out to them. That helped us a lot. And if it means anything, that Super Clean foaming degreaser is the only product that didn't freeze overnight last night. So every time I walk into the store, I can't help but have the Home Depot theme song stuck in my head. Doot 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 doot. Bubble cushion. Bubble cushion. And might as well grab some tape while I'm here. Well, they had all the packaging supplies I could ever want and need. Now we're off to Northern Tool to get some paint because the Home Depot paint department sucks, especially when compared to the likes of Menards. Alright, we've made it to Northern Tool. This is one of my favorite stores ever. I checked online and they should have all the paint we need in stock. On my way over here, I passed by a Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers, and it's 9:30 right now and they open at 10, so I might just take my time walking around Northern Tool, do a little extra shopping, because you can't just drive past the Raising Cane's and not go, especially over here in Minnesota where they're so few and far between. So looks like we're getting some chicken fingers on the way home. what can I say? Another successful trip. They had all the paint I needed, and I got myself a new t-shirt.
890, second window, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, thank you.
Yep, you as well, thank you. Alrighty, we're home. Still waiting on that Integra LS 5th gear to put that transmission back together. Alrighty, that's enough messing around. Let's get back to the reason that you guys are here for this video. The main event, the nitty-gritty, the meat and potatoes. It's finally time to package up this block and engine components like only a packaging professional knows how. And I ain't playing with you, check it out, packaging professional. Honorable mention, what of it? Alright, first things first, let's get this box ready. Alright, so we got the bottom of the box taped up. Now I'm going to reinforce the inside of the box with some spare pieces of cardboard. Oh, weird. UPS truck just pulled up, and I think they're delivering a package for me. What a weird coincidence. I think they're here for me. If it's my Integra LS 5th gear kit, I'm gonna poop my pants. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, it was for me. And it's not my LS 5th gear kit, but perfect timing. It's my Super Tech pistons. That's everything I need. God dang, we could ship this thing out this afternoon. This is the last piece of the puzzle before I had to ship everything out, so that's cool, that's fun. Thanks, Mr. UPS man. Yep, reinforcing the bottom here. It's good. All right. Now, the only thing I'm gonna put in this box is the engine block. So let's take that engine block and get it prepped. This block is so cold. That's pretty protected. So let's see how she fits in the box. Pretty good. So now, just to make sure that that block doesn't bounce around during shipping, I'm gonna stuff all the sides and yeah, just fill in all the extra gaps. All right, and just like that, we got all the gaps filled, all super tight. It's all one unit now and the block won't fly around, so that's exactly what we're looking for. Move this off to the side for now, and let's get going on packaging up all the other engine components. So in this box, we're going to be putting in the crankshaft, the connecting rods, the main caps, as well as my brand new pistons. This kind of looks like a little baby, but it's a lot heavier than a little baby. Imagine a robot baby. Alright, now I get to unbox my super tight pistons, just to throw them into another box, but here we go. I love the super tight boxes. Oh shit. Here's the rings. We got foam, all the piston specifications. And the pistons and the wrist pins in here. Man, I want to take it apart, but I almost shouldn't. They got them packaged so nicely. I think I might just keep it in the box. I know what they look like. I've seen pictures. They got it packaged so nice, I really don't want to wreck this. So yeah, screw it. I'll ship it to them in the box, just like this. Alrighty, so there you have it. We got both these boxes packed up right. I'm confident when we ship it all the way to the CSS shop in New Hampshire, we're not gonna have any issues. Next step, before I seal them up, I wanna give the CSS guys one more call to make sure I didn't miss out on anything. And then, yeah, putting the tops on. I'm taking them to the UPS store, and then I believe if it's anything under 150 pounds, you can ship it out of the UPS store. So that's sweet. And then I believe they make the shipping labels and everything there. And hopefully we can put a couple more labels on there saying like, oh, this side up, the boxes are fragile, you know, handle with care. But I'm pretty stoked because the handles on the boxes actually make it really easy to lift these things up. And it's a lot more sturdy than I thought. Especially the one with the engine block. I was not too confident in that one, but yeah. Everything feels good, so until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our views are looking good in the past year. We're trying to get our subscribers up right now, so if you haven't yet, it really helps us out if you subscribe. Leave a like on the video, and any suggestions in the comments down below help us out as well. So, until next time, bye-bye!